want to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep watching. Hey y'all, it's day. I don't know what. I just quarantined still. But guess what, y'all? I got some braided hair. I got some braided hair. I got some braided hair. Hey, 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 hey. Nigga. Let me tell y'all. Y'all would have seen my status the other day. Y'all would know. I mean, some bomb ass colors too, y'all. I don't know how to come through. I'm in the kitchen, so don't judge my life. You know, had to get some jeans, y'all. Had to get some fucking lavender. Then we got like 2 burgundies. And I got the cutest little rose gold little chin thing. You feel me? And then we had to get some good old beeswax. But y'all, I'm so excited. I need to braid my hair. I need to feel pretty because this is not working for me. Okay. So we're gonna get it popping today. It's probably not gonna be a real-time video. I'm gonna do my parts, rubber band it, show y'all to come through. You know, I'm all pop and marvelous. I might do best friend hair today too. I don't know if I'm gonna record that or not, depending on if I end up doing it or not. So I'm so excited. See y'all later. Ciao. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I am just done with the ponytail portion. I do have 25 ponytails in my head. So I did them a little bit smaller at the top and they're a little bit larger in the back. And they are brute out. So usually I do the 22 method, but I didn't take the top part back further enough. And I also broke this into 3 instead of 2. So that's how I ended up with 25 instead of 22. So I will come back once everything is braided. Alright, y'all. Do not forget to separate your bundles of hair to the amount of ponytails that you have. That way everything is even and seamless. You're not running out of hair. I do have 4 packs of hair, so I should have enough hair. If I don't like the size of them, what I will be doing, I have some extra black hair from a previous install that I had did. And I will just add some of that in there if needed, but if not, then I'll just go ahead and use all 4 fresh packs.